You know what? In the presence of built-in security tools, endpoint protection apps, so VPN technologies, and even with centralized or edge firewall presence, our infrastructure is under attack. So the question is really simple. Why? So the answer is that because these tools are only operational when the operating system is completely loaded. But there are two major types of attacks which attacker can launch during the operating system boot process. And here we go with the first attack. So the first attack is rootkit, which is launched during the operating system boot process. And the second attack is the bootkit. So these two types of attacks are launched during the operating system boot process. So we need to protect our operating system boot process if we want to implement a complete security for our endpoint infrastructure. So in the coming episodes, we are going to secure our operating system boot process so that our machines will be protected against rootkit and bootkit as well.